Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I've just received a new design team craft package from ASC Craft Supplies, and in today's video, I'm going to review three collections: Carta Bella, Welcome Winter, Stamperia, Winter Tales, and Stamperia Sea Dream. Each of these collections are available at ASC Craft Supplies. You can visit them on the web or on their Etsy store. Also, enjoy more online savings with my 10% coupon code. That's Robyn10, all in capital letters. Also, when you spend $75 or more, you will receive free shipping. The first collection is by Carta Bella. It's called Welcome Winter. This kit contains 12 by 12 double-sided paper, and it also includes a sticker sheet. So let's take a look. First, we have this beautiful dark navy blue with snowflakes. On the back, you have this cream wood grain. Next, you have these fun cut-aparts. You have this antique distressed chair. You've got skis here. These are so fun. Hello, Winter. This has got a really nice rustic nature theme to it. On the back, you have this white with navy blue stripe. This next pattern has a dark plaid in navy blue, grays, and greens. Very masculine. Next, we have this all over dark green with green stars. We have more 4x6 cut-aparts. Hello, Winter, Walking in a Winter Wonderland. The world changes when it snows. This page has an all-over sentiment print with winter words, Wonderland, snow, mitten, bundle up. On the back, you have this navy blue with snowflake pattern. This page is really fun. You can use this page as an all-over print or cut these individual pieces out. They will make fun sentiments on cards. This says, Hello, Winter, Season Greetings, Winter Farm. This is great. And on the back of this, you have a dark navy blue with polka dots. Next, you have this all-over print with tree and pine cones. It says Winter Wonderland. On the back, you have a navy blue with light snowflakes. Here you have a medium blue print with these beautiful snowflakes. On the back you have this gingham pattern and a dark green. Next you have this all over print, which is really adorable. You have the little tree. This reminds me of a Charlie Brown tree. A little sprig of evergreens. You have wreaths. I love these plaid mittens. On the back you have a navy blue with all over polka dots. Next, you have this beautiful all-over print in snowflakes. You have a light green, a dark green, navy blues. On the back, you have this navy blue plaid with light blue stripes. You have more fun cut-aparts. I love these plaid mittens here. Let it snow, let's stay in, snow days. On the back, you have a dark navy blue gingham. On this page, you have an all-over print of these fun plaid mittens. On the opposite side, you have a blue plaid print. And last but not least, you have this 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Next in the collection, we have the Welcome Winter Coordinating Solids. There are 6 double-sided papers in this collection. You have this beautiful smoky blue. On the back, you have this dark green. You have this deep charcoal color, and on the back you have this cream. You have this mint green, and on the back you have another green. Now this green is slightly lighter from this green here. Next we have these 6 by 12 chipboard phrases, and on the top it says, Hello, Winter, let it snow. You have this cute little tree here, burr. And on the bottom, I love that you have these little bunting pieces and it spells out Snow Fun. Next are the frames and tags and the ephemera. I'm not going to take these out of the packages because there are several small pieces, but I will give you a close-up of the back of each package so you can see what's inside. These are the frames and tags. And this is the ephemera. Next, I have the Stamperia Winter Tales. This is a beautiful, dreamy collection. And again, it has blue as its primary colors. On the first page, you have these beautiful sentiments that you can easily cut apart. Next, you have this gorgeous signature sheet with this beautiful winter fairy. I just love the beautiful patterns of the paper. This is the back. Here you have this deer. It says Once Upon a Time. I love the snowflakes in the background. This is a gorgeous sheet. You have distressed paint in the background, and on top of that you have several different layers of snowflakes, and I love the ombre effect. It goes from light to dark. Here you have your winter princess, and there's her castle. Next we have this beautiful print. Here we have 6 cut apart pieces. These are 4 by 6, slightly less than 4 by 6. And this is a beautiful background. You can easily include a photo or journaling. On the back we have these beautiful white poinsettias. You have a little blue jay here. This is beautiful. I love the mixtures of the creams, the blues, and the grays. Here you have a beautiful collage. It says I'm dreaming of. Probably her Prince Charming, but she looks beautiful on her white horse. You have this beautiful floral print in gray. Here you have a beautiful winter wonderland, several different variations of blue. Here you have these beautiful patterns, and you can easily cut them apart and use them as borders. Here you have another beautiful landscape, another gorgeous print. This has all over white poinsettias. You know, these are large enough that you could actually fussy cut them and layer them if you'd like. We have light blue all over snowflake. And then you have these beautiful cut aparts. You can just take a circle die and punch them out, or you can fussy cut them. But these would be perfect on the front of a card or a mini album. And these are beautiful tags here. On the back, you have another gorgeous snowflake print. And then you have more cut aparts in the back. You have the winter angels, the princess, the deer, the castle. Next we have the 8 by 8, which is exactly the same as the 12 by 12, just on a smaller scale. Let me give you a quick flip through. Next we have the 6 by 12 chipboard pieces, and you can see all of these images match directly back to the paper collection. And we also have the Winter Tales die cuts. This has a ton of pieces, large and small, as you can see here in this package. Last but not least, I have the Sea Dream collection by Stamperia. This has absolutely nothing to do with winter. However, since I was on a blue theme, I decided to get it anyway because I absolutely love the images. I had been admiring this for quite some time, so I'm glad I finally purchased it. So let's take a look inside. You have these large cut aparts here that say share, smile, leave your footprints. On this page you have the gorgeous seal, and I love these beautiful floral images and the newspaper print in the background. On the next page you have this collage of seashells and beautiful flowers and the print. You have a whale surrounded by these beautiful flowers. This is so pretty. Here we have a cream wooden plank. Next we have this beautiful whale with these flowers coming out of its back, and the seashells and sea urchin on the bottom. This is just so beautiful. I just love the details from Stamperia. Here on the background we have the cream wooden plank, and you have several different patterns. You've got a harlequin image and these beautiful floral details. On the back you have an outline of a shell, flowers, these paint splotches, and also newspaper print. This is another beautiful collage. Here you have this gorgeous frame in the background. This would be perfect for the front of a mini album. You can actually fussy cut a picture right here. Here you have this light blue stripe and the school of fish on the bottom and the top. Here you have these large circles, and you have a tortoise, you have a dolphin, a whale, and a seal. This is a beautiful pattern on the back. We've got several different patterns and images and hues of blue.
These seashells are beautiful.
This is beautiful. This one is more of a muted neutral tan and gray with the seashells. Here I like you have the little seaside village on this side here. The tortoise here and here, and these beautiful flowers. These are large enough to fussy cut and layer. This is beautiful. More of this beautiful blue. I love these flowers here. Another whale. He looks so happy. This is a beautiful pattern. This says seashore. We've got the lighthouse here. And this is beautiful. I love the waves crashing on the shore. Here you have fun pieces that you can cut apart. Next you have the 8x8. Now these are the same images as a 12x12, just on a smaller scale. Let me give you a quick flip through. But not least, you have the 6x12 chipboard pieces, and as you can see, these are all the images that you saw in the paper collection. And you also have the die cut pieces. There are 40 pieces in this set, so you get an ample amount.
This concludes my review of my January ASC Craft Supplies Design Team Craft Haul. Hopefully I've inspired you with these beautiful collections. Please be sure to check my channel to see what fun projects I've made with them. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please be sure to check out some of the other fun videos featured on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.